What did a nurse do or say that made you immediately request another nurse? My ex-partner John underwent back surgery and was in a world of hurt post-operation. Morphine couldn't even put a dent in his pain, so his doctor prescribed the most potent narcotic available, Dilaudid. Due to the powerful nature of the drug, John's doses had to be precisely timed and he was not allowed to deviate from the schedule. As the effects of the Dilaudid would wear off about 50 minutes before his next dose was due, John would have to endure searing pain until his next scheduled dose. I, being the doting partner, would start reminding John's nurse to order the next dose from the pharmacy well in advance, giving her 5-minute warning. Watching my husband writhe in pain was nothing short of heart-wrenching. But on more than one occasion, when it was finally time for John's next dose, the nurse would nonchalantly announce, "Oh right, let me call the pharmacy." This would result in John having to wait an additional 30 minutes for relief from his pain. The last straw came when it was time for John's next dose and the nurse had the medication ready, but instead of administering it, she said, "Let me just finish up this paperwork and I'll be there in a few minutes." I snapped. I couldn't take it anymore. I told her, "That is just a piece of paper. That is a human being in agony. Is there really any question about what your priority should be here?"